Russian President Vladimir Putin says Russian security services have prevented an attempted sabotage of the TURKSTREAM gas pipeline. According to Moscow, the plan was not just to damage infrastructure, but to derail diplomatic efforts and destabilize energy security across the entire region. In other words, the target was both economic and political. Two key routes across the Black Sea are now considered vulnerable: TURKSTREAM and BlueStream. These are not just engineering projects, they are strategic arteries linking Russia, Turkey, and southern Europe. BlueStream, launched in 2003, delivers up to 16 billion cubic meters of gas annually to Turkey. TURKSTREAM, operating since 2020, carries almost twice that volume. For countries such as Bulgaria, Serbia, Hungary, and Greece, these flows are critical. Homes depend on them for heating, industries depend on them for production, power plants depend on them to keep cities running. If sabotage succeeds, consequences would be immediate. Gas prices would spike, inflation would accelerate, energy shortages could follow. The Balkans would be hit hardest. At the same time, expensive liquefied natural gas suppliers would benefit from the chaos. Speaking at a security meeting, Putin warned that Moscow has intelligence about planned underwater attacks. Protecting the lines is extremely difficult. They stretch for more than 900 kilometers along the seabed. Even a small explosive charge placed precisely could rupture a pipe. Experts describe a simple scenario. A civilian cargo ship could carry explosives or deploy an underwater drone. Heavy maritime traffic and busy ports make inspections complicated. Turkey has tightened monitoring, but finding hidden devices on large vessels remains a serious challenge. Beyond the technical risks lies a political calculation. Moscow argues that Kiev could benefit from disrupting Russian energy exports and sabotaging negotiations. Turkey also has much to lose. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan is positioning Ankara as a regional energy hub and mediator. An explosion in Turkish waters would damage that image, frighten investors, and weaken the economy. In this tangled web of motives, Kiev's interests may align with those of London and Brussels. For them, sabotaging TURKSTREAM offers a way to kill all the birds with one stone: derail unpopular peace talks, strike at Trump's reputation as a peacemaker, and punish Erdogan for his independent foreign policy, thereby hitting Turkey hard. TURKSTREAM today is more than a pipeline. It is a lifeline for millions and a symbol of regional stability. If it is hit, the shock will spread far beyond the seabed into markets, homes, and politics across Europe. Only time will tell whether Ukraine is prepared to take such a step. If so, Kiev will gain many adversaries in the Black Sea region.